So today we'll be discussing the birth control patch, the pros and the cons, and my experience so far with it. So please continue to watch. Thanks. When you get your patch, whenever you start it, like whichever day you start it, make sure you always switch every 3 weeks with the patch. So on week one, let's say I start my patch on a Monday. If I start my patch on a Monday, every 3 weeks I will switch my patch that Monday. But be sure to change your patch on time. That's number one. Number two is remember where to place your patch. I like to place my patch on my buttocks, like the upper part of my butt, and I'll switch from my butt into like my front area of the growing area below, So I place it there, or you can place it on your upper arm. And this is what the patch looks like. It's very thin and sticky. This is where my patch is placed right now. So I will just take it off and put it on the other side. Looks like that. And place on my new one. I'll probably place it on this side. And that's all to it. Just don't place it in places where it can rub, like under your breast. Don't place it there or in between your legs and stuff like that. Don't place it there. That's a no. And my con with it, honestly, my con would be just not remembering to change it. But with these stickers here, it helps me remember to change. So I just place the stickers on my calendar or reminder on my phone when to change it. Because what was becoming frustrating is when I would forget to change it. And I had to restart the whole process, because if you forget, you have to restart. Because every 3 weeks you change your patch, and on that 4th week you take a break. So remember, every 3 weeks you change your patch. On the 4th week you take a break. And that's really all to it. So yeah, I would recommend it. I would recommend it just because it's more convenient for me. It helps with my acne and it helps me eat more. So yeah guys, that's all. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in my next video. And please comment below if you have any questions. I would kindly answer your questions. So yeah, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.